Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of clinical and employability skills for healthcare professions. Before we begin our presentation, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support, from our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. Online instructor resources, specially created by Teachers for Teachers, are packages of instruction that save you time and make it easier to prepare for class, reinforce new concepts, and assess learning. These complete teaching packages are ready to go and will instantly make a difference in your class. Instructors can expect lesson plans, assessments, answer keys, PowerPoints, and more. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanying media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with clinical and employability skills includes the workbook, digital textbook, and the digital companion. The digital companion is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Clinical and Employability Skills for Healthcare Professions is a comprehensive and versatile resource for students embarking on their clinical and internship experiences. This program can be used as a standalone course or supplementary material for other courses in the clinical program of study. The 3 units of this program prepare and guide students and instructors through clinical experiences to ensure students master the employability skills needed to succeed in the workplace. Clinical and Employability Skills for Health Professions addresses the clinical and lab requirements of high school health science programs. It was designed to help solve common barriers programs face in getting students work-based learning experiences at an affiliate clinical site. Capstone or practicum experience to participate in skills mirrors that in-person experience. With a streamlined learning path, Clinical and Employability Skills takes a scaffold approach as students build on foundational knowledge, practice and prove mastery of crucial procedures, and learn about medical specialties prior to on-site visits. Unit 1 provides a comprehensive review of the healthcare career pathways and foundational concepts that guide workplace behavior with opportunities to apply and build master of key skills they've gained throughout their health science pathway. Lessons in soft skills, professionalism, interview readiness, workplace behaviors, ethical practices, and more prepare students for the clinical site. Unit 2 prepares students for off-site or simulated clinical experiences and activates in-class learning by building knowledge of healthcare procedures, including sterile technique, safely lifting and positioning patients, ambulating with a gait belt, controlling bleeding, splinting, responding to burns, and more. This program guides instructors and students through procedures with comprehensive procedure checklists. Unit 3 equips students with the resources they need to have successful clinical experiences. This unit includes many lessons covering the basics of nearly 50 healthcare professions and guides students through their clinical rotations with preclinical worksheets, workplace discovery sheets, and post-clinical rotation task sheets. The ebook is designed with a split-screen activity pane for students to answer multiple-choice questions and a medical terminology review as they read the lesson. A myriad of activity types offer flexibility in assigning and grading student work, addressing all course learning outcomes. Auto-graded pre-tests and post-tests help measure student growth, while critical thinking questions allow for deeper exploration into key topics. Clinical and employability skills for healthcare professions includes a clinical portfolio. The clinical portfolio will be set up like a print workbook containing the preclinical worksheet, workplace discovery, and post-clinical reflection resources for each of the clinical pathways covered in Module 8. Students will be able to take this clinical portfolio with them during clinical experiences. The clinical portfolio is intended to be a student-created resource where this information can be kept in one place for students to utilize during and beyond the course, as well as for instructors to easily grade. Each module includes a pre-test and post-test that are assignable and auto-graded. Each module includes a reading guide. This downloaded docs lets students answer questions as they read the lesson. Students can cite important notes from the text to help support their answers. Students are encouraged to review their responses with their classmates and adjust any responses as needed to ensure they understand the key concepts. Each module includes activities related to module content. A variety of activities are offered, include auto-graded and manually graded activities. In addition, students have access to vocabulary practice, critical for any health science course. This includes e-flashcards, matching activities, and a vocabulary game. Each module contains lessons. Each lesson opens with an essential question and outlines the learning outcomes for the lesson. A medical terminology review is at the start of each lesson with a real-life scenario and activities. Each lesson ends with a summary of the learning objectives and lesson review questions. The HOSA Event Prep Library includes resources on health science events, health professions events, emergency preparedness events, leadership events, and teamwork events. HOSA Event Prep Library includes practice activities for specific HOSA events aligned to the appropriate student lessons. Health Science Video Library includes videos and quizzes designed to support your health science education, aligned to the appropriate student lessons. Clinical Resources Library includes additional resources for instructors to ensure your students are prepared for each clinical experience. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, We want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators.